This is a wedge pillow, and I did not even know that these things existed, but they help with things from anti-snoring to acid reflux, and for people who had surgeries or have bone problems in general. So I didn't know this was such a big market, but they're absolutely crushing it. So what we're gonna do before we open this thing up, and I'm gonna be surprised at how this thing turns into the picture, so that's gonna be fun. We're gonna dive into the numbers and see what this company is making, how many sales they're making, and most importantly, what about the other sellers, the other people, the new sellers, how much are they making, and how big is the market for wedge pillows? Welcome back to the channel and another episode in our series, 7-Figure Products. In this series, we dive deep into top selling and top performing products that are generating 7 figures gross, 6 figures profit annually on Amazon.com. The purpose of this series is to educate you on how to get started with your Amazon business or to get ideas if you're currently selling to help take your business to new heights. I'm super excited in today's video to be breaking down this product right here that is generating 7 figures per year, multi-6 figures gross. If you want to follow me during this and you want to reverse engineer these products and you want to learn how to do product research to find products like this, you're gonna need a software. I've been using Jungle Scout for years. They're the oldest and have the most data. That's the software we use in these trainings and I use in all of my programs. Those guys have been awesome enough to give us a discount code just for you. So down below or on this video, you can go to www.discountonjunglescout.com and get access to your software. That way you can follow us and find your first or next product. And here you can see for the keyword wedge pillow in the top left-hand corner, there are over 1,000 results. That means 1,000 people are selling this product. And I know what you're saying, man, that sounds like a ton of people. Is this marketplace saturated? Can I get into this market? Is that too many people? Is the well dried? I want you to understand that there's over 200 million Prime members, yet there's less than 3 million sellers. So the amount of consumers buying stuff to the amount of people like us selling stuff is nowhere near equal, right? They're nowhere near equal in comparison. So there's always opportunities to get into these markets. Now, even though this may not be a product that I recommend selling for you guys, it may require too much risk and too much capital for starting out. I'm using this for educational and example purposes only. But I want you to understand when you're doing product research and you see, holy crap, there's 2,000 sellers, 3,000 sellers, that's nowhere near the 3 million mark that's selling on Amazon. And it's nowhere near the 200, 300 million plus mark of Prime members that are coming on Amazon every day, typing in specific terms, ready to buy with their credit cards linked to Amazon.com. So here you can see there are tons of people selling $100,000 per month, $139,000 per month, $33,000 per month, $80,000 per month. These are the 30 days gross numbers, meaning this is what they're generating in total. That is not what they are keeping. A good rule of thumb in a general number is around 30% profit margin. So let's go ahead and find our company here, which is Axel Road. And here you can see that they're generating roughly $80,000 gross per month. So if you go ahead and multiply that by the 30% profit margin we're talking about, they're making over $20,000 net profit per month. Now, next to that, you can see that they're selling daily around 36 units. So guys, it's very realistic. You don't need to find a product that's selling 2,000 units a day or 1,000 units a day or several hundred units per day. Finding a product that sells 10 to 30 units per day that's making you $10 to $30 profit per unit can make you $3,000 to $20,000 net per month and even more, right? Here on the channel and in this series, we found products that are doing 9 figures, products that are doing 8 figures in gross sales, which is 7 and multiple 7 figures in profit. So I want to show you really what's possible, and most importantly, that everyday people just like us are selling everyday products on Amazon. See, so many people say, Josh, I really want to start an Amazon business. We're not starting an Amazon business. This whole e-commerce, this whole Amazon business, this is simply supply and demand, which has existed since the beginning of time It currently exists and it will exist in the future. We have people who have problems and we offer the solutions. We have people where there is demand for products that people use every single day, regardless of their age, ethnicity, or geographic location, and we simply find those products, improve those products, and create brands around them. So here you can see the average monthly sales for this product is around $1,700, and the average sales price is $68.32. So if I go ahead and pop up the old calculator here, and let's just round these to whole numbers. If you take $68 times 1,700 units, here you can see on average that they're doing around $115,600 gross per month. Now, if you times this by 0.30 for 30% profit margins, here you can see that the average net, if you take the top and you take the low and you find that medium, is around $34,680. I don't know about you, but when I got started, I wasn't making that in a year, let alone a month. And again, this may not be realistic for people starting out, but what about a product that's selling 10 units per day at $10 profit, making you $3,000 profit per month? Very realistic, completely doable, and an extra $3,000 a month was pretty game-changing for a majority of people here on the channel. So this is what's possible in the world of Amazon. All right, so here we can see that the pillow is inside of this piece of plastic. Now, I'm assuming something almost like food saver or freezer safe, those type of situations, that's decompressing this and making this fit. Because this thing, I believe, is like this big. It's like the size of this table. It's huge. So that's interesting how they do this. This is one of those products, guys, that you really can't damage this in transit. So that is one thing I like about this product. It can't be damaged. It can't come broken, right? You could throw this thing around, you could drop it, you could beat somebody with it, and it's not gonna break, right? So very simple packaging. I would have personally liked to see this inside of a box. I'm a box type person. This being in a box is gonna give you perception that it's higher quality. Inevitably, you can charge more. But let's set that aside for a minute. Why I like boxes, they protect the product, even though this product can't really get messed up. The third reason why I like boxes is because they are billboards. We talk about these billboards throughout the buying process. On your packaging, it's a billboard. On your package stuffer, it's a billboard. On any inserts, it's a billboard. Your website, your social medias. Constantly use these billboards to your advantage so you can cross-promote different products. You can cross-pollinate different social medias. There's tons of benefits to having literature and different visual billboards or inserts or packaging throughout the buying journey. All right, now that we got this open, I got tired and took a nap because this thing is super soft, super comfy. It's a really nice material. High quality foam, really nice. I'm actually going to try this thing out here and I may keep it. Hey, wait, you made it this far and you haven't smashed that like button? Go ahead and do that right now. It means the world to me. You guys seen it came wrapped up in the plastic, taped with duct tape. It wasn't a good feeling. It wasn't a premium feeling. Like, let's think about Serta. Let's think about a high premium foam product, nice packaging, really nice wrap. So some constructive criticism is the wrapping could be better, the packaging could be better. It could be in a nice little box with maybe a little window where you could see the color or maybe even touch the actual material itself. Other than that, the color is nice, the texture is nice, it feels super soft, the padding feels really good. Something that I like to look at on these products, here you can see, is the zippers. Inside, it doesn't smell weird, the foam is nice quality. So that's pretty simple. Now, there's not too much to go over in terms of how to make this better, how to improve it. But again, guys, this is a product that you may or may not know existed. It's an everyday product that people all across the world are buying of different ages. And it's a product that is literally generating life-changing money. The financials on this, the breakdown on this product, the sales, the information that our team has found on this product, as well as the package stuffer and any other information will be down below in the resources section. Go ahead and click that and download that if you want our report and pictures of the resources for absolutely free. Here you can see it's a pretty generic package stuffer. It has the name of their company. It has 3 key components: premium foam, perfect for sleep or recovery, and ergonomic design. It shows you a few different positions. It shows you the size information, material information, and a brief warning about the suffocation. On the back side, there's some notes, some information, and a small message from the company, which is Axelrod. I really don't see any phone numbers. I don't see any email addresses. I don't see a website. I don't see social medias. I don't see cross promotion or of different products or other products that they sell. So they're definitely losing money like that. However, they do have one, and it's better to have one than not have one. So overall is my conclusion on this product, the pros, the cons, my personal, professional, constructive criticism, and some information. Hope it was entertaining, hope it was helpful, and most importantly, hope if you haven't, you got started. If you're new to the channel or you've been watching and you have not yet subscribed, please click that red subscribe button right now. Next to it, click the notification bell, because every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we're releasing new videos to help you increase your income, your impact, and your influence. My media team here in my studio tells me that 93% of average viewers, rather been watching for a long time or are brand new to the channel, are not subscribed, and that makes me cry at night. So if you don't want me to cry at night, please click that subscribe button. And as always, guys, make sure you like the video, and down below comment, let me know what you thought, let me know your biggest takeaway, and let me know any products or any video ideas that you have. I read every single comment. I'll see you in the next video, and remember, you're only one product away.